What if I told you, as a student in Australia, you can earn up to $100 an hour? Would you believe me? Well, stick around because I'm about to show you real part-time jobs that pay way more than the minimum wage and how you can get them. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Student Helpline, your go-to support system for everything academic and beyond. If you've ever checked global wage rates, you'll know Australia is right up there with a minimum wage rate of $23 an hour. That's almost 3 times the minimum wage rate in the US. But here's the secret. There are jobs that pay 2, 3, even 4 times that rate. And today I'm sharing the ones that students swear by. First is tutoring. Education is highly valued here, so tutoring is always in demand. Whether it's English, maths, science, or even soft skills like public speaking, you can make $45 to $70 per hour. One of our Student Helpline members tutors communication skills and earns $50 an hour just working 4 to 5 hours per week. You can also work in person, online, or even through platforms like Superprof, Tutor Finder, or Gumtree. The better your expertise, the more you charge. The second is freelancing. If you have digital skills like graphic designing, coding, video editing, or even web development, freelancing can get you $30 to $50 an hour. You choose your clients, your hours, and even your rates. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer can connect you easily with high-paying projects, even while you're sitting in your favorite cafe. The third is library assistant. Library assistant's positions are calm, professional, and perfect for students who enjoy quite a work environment. You'll help people locate resources, organize materials, and sometimes run community events. All this while earning $27 to $35 an hour. The fourth is a research assistant. If you have good academic skills, you can work as a research assistant for your university or even for private institutions. This can pay $30 to $45 an hour and give you the added bonus of building connections with your professors and industry professionals. Hospitality. Australians are coffee lovers, and working as a skilled barista in a busy cafe can fetch you $30 to $40 per hour plus generous tips. If you work in hospitality during events or fine dining restaurants, pay rates can go even higher, especially on weekends or public holidays. Next is delivery or drivers. Food delivery with Uber Eats, DoorDash, Menulog, or working as a part-time courier can bring in $20 to $50 an hour depending on the tips and peak hour bonuses. It's flexible, you choose your hours, and you can easily fit in around your university schedule. And here's a tip, the more you specialize your skills, the higher you can charge. And don't be afraid to try platform-based work like AirTanker, Uber Eats, or Rover for pet sitting. They can fill gaps in your schedule and add more cash. So which one of these high-paying jobs would you try first? Tutoring, freelancing, or assistance? Tell us in the comments and we'd love to hear your plan. And if you want us to cover how to actually end up in these jobs in Australia, comment down Australia and we'll make that video next. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to Student Helpline, and share it with a friend who's looking for jobs in Australia. Thanks for watching, and just remember, your success is our mission.